Hey, Bege don't shell my people, make na come hear something new. I hear say the mama of the Boko Haram leader by name Abubakar Shekau. The mama don dey claim say he don disown his son, say he no wants the boy again. Hey. After which your pikin don kill am other people, now he dey claim say he no want. And this woman dey claim say he don dey over between them because say the boy cheat on am. And now your boyfriend will be say the person when they cheat on. The woman they claim say the boy end up to be a useless child. Now why she they decide say she no want this pikin again? So make government take her. Either alive or dead, she no want again. My people never watch this one, They can join me watch.
نعم
عندها سيد الرغباري
نعم
يوه
الله أكبر
شاد بيان وشان تديم
نعم
باين وشان تديم
نعم
وشا سيد الرغباري
الله أكبر تبت جري الحمد
شاد
لله
ko ado yanzu ma shade sambu sangalle tanan zama kai
الله
balle
أكبر
sharo sambuna nongui sambu inongui
sai kanadi kaka sai
kanadi dole ya wuri komande da wura gana
tabbas sosai
kam ga daga na ko da komande
sosai
komande shiro
Really? This mama shocked me. So among everything we there to talk about your son, your criminal son, you don't say anything talk. Now the fact say you don't want the pikin, I beg who you can't dash am to we Nigerians a bit to who? Because even we define am to go put am for one place, and now you can't talk say you don't want am. But me, at the reason I say see finish there inside this matter. Because by now this mama no supposed to sit down here. The grant interview. After which your pikin they terrorize the whole state. I just say government don't pull law, say any pikin will be say he misbehave, do anything bad, they go carry the mama, put am inside cell. So why be say this mama na come sit down here? They speak different Hausa language. I don't know be na Hausa, be na Fulani, abi wetin she dey even talk. She dey now they talk, say she dey disown. And if you like disown, abi no disown. Sooner or later they suppose carry you, join this man, put you for one side place. And me, I don't believe this woman. I dey very certain say this her son Shekau go dey reach out to her. So much she go dey follow on talk because we know say Hausa people they know they joke with their family. So this woman no go talk saying she no know where im pikin dey, where the pikin dey alive. I know say she know. Now why they suppose carry her go interrogate her? Make she talk. Wherever her pikin dey, make they carry her come outside. But me I don't look at. Make they do their investigation. Wherever this guy dey, if they arrest the mama, put her for one side, I dey very certain say he go one attack. In groups go come outside, go one attack. So make they just use am as strategy. Put this woman for one side. Because if they don't do something about them, sooner or later, all of us, they look and see as Boko Haram, they fight. So we go here say they don't destroy the whole of Nigeria. They don't use the whole kidnapping and everything, destroy everywhere. But make we even thank God, say we, our lives still even they okay. Say person will be saying picking a kidnapper upon all the whole ransom way they collect, the mama no still fine. As she be now, so she still be. So what it can be the essence? She don't even see they look, she still look dirty. What it can be the essence of all the whole wahala way they do, they keep people, they collect money. It better make you just retire, hand up yourself, carry yourself, give government, maybe they collect you. Because this is what they do, you know they help anybody. But me, I still thank God say this one, you know people way they do am for. Now in fellow Hausa people, now they still they support and say na their work. So anyhow way they come to them, maybe they collect them like that. Anyways, now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. Wahala don't share on my people, and this one they come all the way from Kenya. I hear say a family don't quiet about the death of their son. Claiming say they send their pikin go school, now boarding school, now this guy they stay. All of a sudden, now they realize this boy know they come assembly ground. Before they go check, now they realize this boy don't die for in bed. And they don't even fit talk. Be a person kill him, or be just die just like that. They just realize pikin where they send to school, the pikin don't fight for them. My people never watch this one, They can join me watch.
It is said that Enoch Mogendi Morara, a Form 4 student at St. Paul's High School, Amasago in Kiumbu, Kisii County, went to bed as normal but never rose as his colleagues did. A post-mortem examination report conducted on Wednesday at the Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital mortuary did not reveal the actual cause of his death. Meanwhile, police and education officials in Kisii are already probing the death of the student.
May God have mercy. Pikin wey go school safe now, he don't die mysterious death for them. And I dey very certain say these parents no go fit accept this one. Because it dey somehow. Say person go school. And we know say this one, they always monitor people for boarding school. Somehow they always call roster. Say okay, pikin wey no dey assembly we go know. But this one, for so many days, on no notice the person dey there lifeless. Now wetin make me dey suspect say either this school management know wetin dey happen. I been one of the students now we don't kill this guy. Because we know as children of nowadays be. Any smart, maybe somebody they follow them drag, you go, yes, say they don't carry this one, kill the person. But based on say they carry this pikin go hospital, they talk say the hospital, they talk say they don't know wetin kill the pikin. Abeg, how come? At this one, they do autopsy to show say okay, now wetin kill person be this? This one on account they claim say on a no. Abeg, wetin na they do work for? Make na kuku close down the hospital as na no wetin they worry. But me, I dey suspect this school because something they fishy they happen for here. Because as the thing even happen, say on a suppose even don't carry the matter for call the parents. And I don't leave the whole thing, make the boy rotting for there before na come they call parents say hey, pikin don't die. But me, I feel still they look and say this one feel be natural death, I been a spiritual something. Make the parents still calm down, allow the Kenyan police do their investigation. Make them not just carry matter for head because me I hear the papa they talk say he no want hear any story. May they bring out the pikin. Me I feel say something they can. May they just allow them do the investigation. Then if they sure so kill, no be person killed them. Then they carry them as fakes. But if they feel say na person killed them, then they get every right to sue the school. To whatever length, because this one a bad thing, because I never hear and read for history. Say person go body school, the pikin no sick, nothing to him. All of a sudden, the pikin just die rotting for on top of his bed with no reason. Me I feel say something dead here. So make these people do their investigation well. Anyways, my people, now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.